Hi, I'm Justin with Countryside RV. Today we are going to be looking at a 2023 Cougar 22MLS. This is probably one of the best shorter travel trailers you can get. Up here in the front, you can see the nice windshield. We got some good graphics on here. 2023. Change it to more of a basic, more clean look. I personally like it a lot. And then up here we have two 30-pound LP tanks. And then you have your two Dragonfly lithium-ion batteries with battery heat built in. Just super nice, long lasting. They'll pretty much last the life of the camper. Got your electric tongue jack coming around. You got your tankless water heater, docking station. Nice big pass through. You can see that aluminum framing in there. Solar disconnect, solar charger because this unit does have SolarFlex 200 already installed. Keeping the batteries charged, running all 12 volt. You're prepped for the 2000 watt inverter. There's 7 outlets inside. They're marked. That way you can get inverted outlets, watch TV, maybe make coffee, all without being plugged in. We got the roof ladder, key TV box in there, automatically switches between satellite and antenna TV. Very cool. Rear camera prep, spare tire, and then you have an accessory hitch down here. Good for about 300 pounds, so you can put, I don't know, a bike rack or storage rack, anything. Nice big awning going about the whole length of the unit. Outside TV hookups. You can set that on a table or wherever you want so that you can watch TV outside. Outside speakers. I really like the look of these rims they did on the 2023. You got Goodyear tires, load range E. Other side of the pass through. See, it's 30 amp unit. You're prepped for tire link. Check tire pressure driving down the road from your phone. There's the in-command BCM because this is controlled by a touchscreen. You run from your phone as well. See that inside. We got the Lippert solid step on here. Coming in, you see we got nice light colors. Very bright in here. Nice and clean look. Right here we have your tankless water heater controls. The in-command, so you can run that whole thing from your phone or from the touchscreen right here. You can get in, run your slides, jacks, anything all from one place. There's that battery heat switch because those lithium batteries will not charge below 32 degrees unless that heat switch is turned on. So it keeps the batteries about 32 degrees and it shuts off when they get to 40. So super handy. Up front here, got wardrobe around both sides, up on the top. Outlet and USB on both sides. You can see that little yellow sticker. That is for if you had the inverter, these outlets would work. So they're already looped in. Got a king size bed here. And then you can lift that up. And of course you have storage separate from the front, which is nice. So you can keep your outside stuff outside, your inside stuff inside. And then you can look up here. You can see we have the Blade Pure ducting system. Spins it at 360 degrees. Helps cool faster. We got a curtain to separate the bed. We got theater seating right here. Heat, massage. We got lights on them. USB, cup holders. You name it. We got the Dream dinette right here. So booth dinette. We're legless. Unlock it. And all you got to do is push it down. And it turns it into a bed without having to deal with those poles. Smart TV included. You got your quiet cool 15K AC. Takes a residential filter. Not like the old style where you just wash them out. You can replace that one from Menards. Very nice. Huge pantry. Super deep. Put a nice kitchen on this unit. Pretty good counter space, especially for the size of this unit. We got a nice set of drawers, some cabinets. We got our 12 volt Furrion refrigerator. 10 cubic foot. Lots of space in there. Like the clean look of it. We got all Furrion appliances. We got our stove. Back here we have our double basin stainless steel undermount sink, pull out sprayer on the faucet. Nice back window. You can check out your campsite. Very nice. Bathroom. Pretty good size. A little bit tight, but considering the size, it's pretty nice. We got a nice counter space. Glass doors in the shower. Nice shower head. Real medicine cabinet here. Lots of space in there. Coming back around, you can see how open it is. And also when you put the slide in, you can go all the way to the bathroom, get to the fridge, most of the kitchen, just about everything. We got hyperdeck flooring in this unit. So the floor is actually not wood, it's polypropylene infused with fiberglass, so you never have to worry about any water damages if somehow water gets to it. We got these new Keystone heat ducts where you can't see down, so a little bit cleaner look. It also pushes it out across the floor to help heat the floor. Heat rises, just a little bit more efficient way to heat the unit. But we got the arch ceilings, so you get a higher ceiling height, especially in the middle. Then we got, of course, aluminum framed, pinch roll sidewall, alpha ply on the roof, very well built. You got the hidden hinges on the cabinets, much cleaner. They all open and close nicely. So you can come get this unit, Countryside RV in Colfax, Iowa.